How to turn on or turn off switch to secure connection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on internet privacy protection. So after click on internet privacy protection, so scroll down and you will see switch to secure connection is here. So if you want to turn off switch to secure connection, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see switch to secure connection is turned off. So if you want to turn on switch to secure connection, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see switch to secure connection is turned on. So you will turn on or turn off switch to secure connection from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off switch to secure connection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.